Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now you might remember some time ago I reviewed a long life chili con carne, the bachelor's one, which was £3.50 and wasn't very good. I mean, the rice was really dry and horrible. So today I'm reviewing another long life chili con carne, which hopefully will be better. Fray Bentos, £1.95 from Home Bargains. And the rice is all mixed in with the chilli, so at least I can virtually guarantee that the rice won't be dry and horrible. Can't I? We'll see. Right, rice, beef and kidney beans in a mildly spiced tomato sauce. I'll read you the blurb. It says, our chili con carne with rice is a meal that doesn't mess around. It's a bit smoky, a bit spicy and a lot tasty. It's packed with flavour and ready in minutes. For an extra kick, just add hot chilli sauce. Well, I may well be doing that. Right, and your percentages are 21% long grain brown rice, 19% tomatoes, 15% beef, 6% kidney beans, 2.5% red chilli puree, and only a few other ingredients, none of which look like nasties. So that's good. Well, hopefully it's good. You can heat this in the microwave or on the hob. I'm going to do it in the microwave. So a good product, well, I'll reserve judgment on that. A product which is suitable if you're going camping. Because if you've got a little camping stove, you can just chuck it in a pan and heat it up. So, good idea in theory. Will it work out in practice? Let's find out. And there it is. Definitely smells like a chilli. Wonder if it'll taste like a chilli. It's quite, as you can see, it's quite thick. Doesn't move much. He says as it falls off the plate. Right. Okay, here we go then. Here we go. That's not bad. Yes, it's very low in chilli heat. Very, very low. But the other spices that are in there, herbs and spices, give it quite a strong taste. Doesn't need any seasoning with salt and pepper. And it's definitely better, a lot better, than that bachelor's long life chilli. I mean, it's not incredible, but as I said earlier, if you're going camping, this would be an ideal product to take with you. You know, you won't really look forward to it, eat it and go, wow, that was incredible, because you're not incredible, but it's good. Would I buy it again though? No, I wouldn't. Because for that price, if I wanted long life chilli, I'd rather buy a tin of chilli and whatever rice I choose, which I can microwave. That's if I'm at home, of course. But then I'm not likely to go camping. I went once and never again. Bit of a long story. It was my stag weekend and yeah. I'm quite enjoying this. But I am going to add some Tabasco Sriracha just to pep it up a bit. You know, it's a good taste, but this will give it a better taste and a nice bit of heat as well. I know it looks a bit of a mess now around the edge of the plate, but never mind, eh? It's only you and I can see it. You know, there's only one person watching after all, so thanks for being there again, by the way. Well, that's better. Oh, that's improved it hugely. So, there it is. Fray Bentos Chilli con Carne, long life, in a pouch. As I said, great if you're going camping. Would I buy it again? No, I wouldn't. But it's a good taste, and it's an even better taste if you add some of that to it. I did have this handy, cumin, because quite often chilies don't have enough of that in it. But this one did. It didn't mention cumin on the ingredients. It just said spices. And I thought, oh, but there's not enough cumin. But there is. Oh, that's warming me up now nicely, now I've added that sauce. Okay, thanks for watching. I might try one of the others in this range now. That's better than I thought it was going to be anyway. Yeah. Have you tried any of these Fray Bentos long life pouches? Let me know. Let me know what they're like. I might give another one a go. Yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.